In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello for real estate, a fantastic tool that can help streamline your operations whether you're an agent, broker, or real estate manager. To begin, we'll be diving straight onto the Trello website. Head over to Trello.com where you'll start your journey by accessing your account. If you don't have one, it's easy to set up, and once you're logged in, you'll see your profile picture in the top right corner. Click on that and a menu will appear. Select Create Workspace. Now your workspace is going to be your central hub, so you can name it something engaging and professional like Real Estate Hub, or perhaps your name Realty, whatever represents your brand the best. Once your workspace is set up, it's time to create boards that cater specifically to your real estate needs. This is where Trello becomes an incredibly versatile tool. Some great board ideas to consider are property listings, buyers and leads, seller management, transaction tracker, and appointments and tasks. Having these categories can help organize the various aspects of your business efficiently. Now that you have your boards, let's set up lists within each board to represent different stages of your real estate process. For instance, on your property listings board, you might have lists titled New Listings, Showing Scheduled, Offers Received, Under Contract, and Closed. This methodical setup ensures you capture the entire life cycle of a real estate transaction, keeping everything transparent and accessible. Next, you'll harness the power of cards, which are the backbone of your Trello board. Each card can represent an individual property, client, or deal. It's here that you can dig into the details. For each property or transaction card, you'll include a checklist to manage your to-dos. Think tasks like order inspection or schedule showing. Additionally, you can attach important documents such as listing sheets, contracts, and property photos. This keeps all relevant information just a click away, making collaboration and review sessions so much smoother. You'll also want to input due dates for key deadlines associated with each card. This helps you stay on track and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. Don't forget to assign members to the cards. Whether it's yourself, an assistant, or fellow agents, assigning responsibilities is crucial for accountability and teamwork. And finally, to further refine your organizational system, make use of labels. These could include categories like buyer, seller, hot lead, or cash offer. Labels provide a quick visual cue that helps everyone on your team to spot important details at a glance. Implementing Trello in this structured yet flexible way will undoubtedly boost your real estate business efficiency, leaving you more time to focus on what matters most, closing deals and growing your client relationships. That wraps up our guide on using Trello for real estate. Thanks for watching, and here's to organizing your success.